Hi, it's Brett from Compass Legal Planning, and I want to take a couple of minutes to talk about the most valuable asset that most couples own, and that's their home. In Oklahoma and in Texas, where I also practice, home ownership by default will be as tenants in common. In other words, you'll own an equal part of that house with your spouse. And that's most common. If you don't ask for something else specifically, that's how usually the title companies will place your names on those titles. Now, there is another form of ownership that you can ask for called joint tenancy with rights of survivorship. That is a form of estate planning, actually, because that allows that if one of the spouses dies, the surviving spouse will actually take full ownership of that property to themselves. And that's a good way to keep yourself out of court, because that particular real estate will not go through the probate action for any other property, whether you had a will or a trust or anything else. However, the problem arises whenever both spouses pass away at the same time. If that happens, now the house is in limbo, and your family is going to have to go through a court action to get title put into the heirs. And so by putting it in joint tenancy with rights of survivorship, it is a form of estate planning, but it doesn't solve all the problems. The best way to title your property is in a trust. When you place the title to the house in a trust, the trust now owns the property, but you as trustees control it. And you also have beneficiaries in your trust that would take ownership of that home through the trust in case something happens to you. So it totally bypasses probate, because even if both spouses die at the same time, the house's ownership stays the same in the name of the trust, and your beneficiaries will control it through the trust as well. If you'd like to learn more about trust, and specifically how a trust can help you with your specific dynamics and your specific assets, you can certainly schedule a life and legacy planning session with me. And you can do that on my website, www.compasslegalplanning.com, and click on schedule online, and you can schedule a 15-minute phone call, or you can schedule a life and legacy planning session with me. Look forward to hearing from you.